They teach you how to divide numbers, memorize history, and maybe throw a football. But they never taught you how credit works. They never warned you how easy it is to mess it all up before your kid even learns to walk. But don't trip, I got you covered. So let's talk about it. This is Rich Baby Daddy, Poor Baby Daddy. And these are the harsh truths about credit they don't want you to know, and how you can take advantage of it to become a rich baby daddy. And if you stick around to the end, you will learn how to use credit to become a rich baby daddy. Let's start with the lie. They made it seem like your credit score only matters when you're buying a house. Wrong. It affects everything. Your rent approval, your car insurance, your job applications, just to name a few. And yeah, even your ability to provide for your child. They don't teach young men, especially young dads, that once you have a child, you're no longer just building a life for yourself. You're building trust with a system that doesn't trust you. And if you don't play the credit game right, you'll be paying double for everything. Credit isn't just money. It's credibility. It's your reputation with money, tracked by companies you've never met, with a score that speaks louder than your words. That 3-digit number is your financial face in this world. One baby daddy gets 2.9% interest. The other baby daddy, 27%. Same car, different life. That's the game. Now let's break down the 5 biggest traps that turn young fathers into poor baby daddies instead of rich baby daddies. You get a $300 limit. You spend $298 on diapers, wipes, and gas. Now your utilization is 99%. That alone drops your score 40 to 60 points. Credit cards aren't for spending. They're for building. You forgot. You were working. You had your kid. Doesn't matter. One late payment equals 7 years of pain on your credit history. I get it. You want to help. But if they mess up, you're liable. Don't let love kill your financial future. That $112 medical bill you forgot, it's now on your report, tanking your score by 80+ points. Each application is a moderate inquiry, but if you stack 3 or 4 in 1 month and the system thinks you're desperate. You ever notice how the poorest people pay the highest prices? Bad credit makes your life more expensive. Can't get approved for a car? You rent one. Can't get a credit card? You use payday loans. Can't get an apartment? You pay $500 just for a cosigner. This is how the trap is set. Not because you're lazy, not because you're dumb, but because no one told you how to protect your credit like your life depends on it, because it does. Now here's what you can do right now to take back control of the game. Check your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com or Credit Karma. Look for errors, collections, and missed payments. Pay off your cards to below 10% of the limit, not 30%. That's a myth. Go under 10% to really boost your score. Set up auto pay for the minimum payment. Even if you're broke, pay the minimum on time every month. Become an authorized user on someone's good card. Ask a trusted friend or parent. You don't even have to use it. Start a secured credit card if you have no credit. It's your own money, but it builds history like a real card. Fixing your credit is just the first step. Now let's talk about how to use credit to get rich and become a rich baby daddy. Use credit to buy assets, not liabilities. Don't swipe for sneakers or gold chains. Swipe to invest in tools that make money. Think camera equipment, a laptop for your online business, or a course that teaches you a high-income skill. Take advantage of 0% APR credit cards. Some cards give you 12 to 18 months of no interest. Use that time to build a business or flip products as long as you pay it off before the promo ends. Separate your personal and business credit. Once your personal score is clean, start building business credit under an LLC.
That way, you can get approved for business lines of credit without putting your personal name on the line. And use credit to create leverage. Rich people don't use their own money. They borrow cheap money to make more money, and they keep their cash in investments that grow. So don't be scared of credit. Control it, leverage it, and multiply it. Stay tuned for the next video drop on how exactly we used credit to build some assets. Being a dad doesn't mean you're stuck. It means you have a reason to rise. Your credit is your strap in this world. Learn to use it or be cut by it. This is Rich Baby Daddy, Poor Baby Daddy. We build legacies, not excuses. Subscribe, and let's get this money.